Sitting at a desk for hours on end usually leads to a sore back, cramped legs, and absolute frustration, especially if standard office chairs feel too narrow or completely lack proper support. The big and tall executive ergonomic chair completely redefines desk comfort by blending a heavy-duty, reinforced frame with an incredibly plush, luxurious pink rose velvet upholstery. This wide-seat powerhouse is custom-built for anyone who wants to bring a vibrant pop of color, serious ergonomic support, and maximum relaxation to their home office, gaming setup, or creative workspace. The standout feature right out of the gate is the generous, wide-seat architecture explicitly engineered for big and tall users. Built on an industrial-strength chassis that easily supports heavy weight capacities, the seat is filled with thick, high-density foam that resists sagging over long periods of use. The unique flip-up armrests are a total game-changer for spatial flexibility. You can quickly fold them all the way back out of the way to create a completely open, extra-wide seating platform, which is absolutely perfect if your cat or dog loves to curl up next to you while you work, or if you simply prefer to sit cross-legged while typing. Ergonomics are taken to a premium executive level thanks to a deeply contoured backrest and an integrated, pull-out upholstered footrest. When it is time to pivot from high-focus productivity to pure relaxation, the chair features a smooth, deep reclining mechanism that tilts and locks back into multiple angles. You can slide out the hidden footrest, recline the back, and instantly transform your workspace into a cozy lounge chair for taking phone calls, watching videos, or enjoying a quick afternoon break. The ergonomic lumbar contouring cradles the natural curve of your spine, taking the pressure off your lower back during long computing or gaming sessions. Style and utility blend seamlessly here to elevate your room's layout. The soft pink rose velvet fabric feels incredibly gentle against the skin, offers great breathability, and adds a soft, high-end aesthetic that stands out beautifully against boring, standard black plastic chairs. Underneath, a heavy-duty nylon base is fitted with smooth-rolling, 360-degree swivel casters that glide effortlessly across both hardwood floors and low-pile carpets without leaving scuffs or scratches. If you are ready to permanently ditch cramped, stiff seating and finally invest in a wide, ultra-plush reclining chair that gives you the freedom to flip up the arms, stretch out, and relax in style, this velvet executive chair is the ultimate upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know if you would use this for gaming or working from home, and I will see you in the next video.